Hiya, I'm Marcus from All Ages Airsoft, and today we've got something that's a bit of a giggle gun. It's the Well 23 Micro Minigun. I absolutely adore these. So let's get into it. Got your instructions. You have a Dean's Titania connector and a small bag of ammo that'll probably last you about 2 seconds. And you've got the gun, which is a bit of a pain in the arse to get out, but there we are. This is it, and what a piece of kit. Very, very light, 4 barrels as you can see. Each barrel has its own hop unit, which is very easy to adjust. And you can actually fire this without the battery. You can doesn't do it any harm whatsoever. You have a safety catch here. Back is on, forward is off. You've got a nice sturdy hand grip to hold it. 2 little pieces of rail for, I don't know, lasers or a torch maybe. Sling mount front here and rear here. Don't know how sturdy they would be. And a sprung loaded plunger assembly for the feeder. Now the unit takes 1200 rounds. I highly suggest you do not fill it above that little dot there, because this gun really does not appreciate being overfilled. So what you would do would be pour the rounds in there, pop the cap back on, screw it up. That's it, the gun's loaded. To put the battery in, pull this catch. That's where your battery sits. I'm going to use the adapter. It runs on an 11-1. And it will do 29 rounds a second on an 11-1 1400 mAh battery, which is just insane. As I say, it is a giggle gun. And it's actually relatively easy to get all the wires in without crimping anything. There we go. And then safety off. And to adjust the hop, all you do is literally twist that wheel. Now, I personally found with the standard valves and assembly, number 8 on 0.25s is about right. So it's really nice and simple to adjust. These are running about 300 feet per second on 0.2s. So pretty good. You can upgrade them slightly. It's relatively easy to remove the front unit, and you could replace the inner barrels and the hop rubbers. The hop rubbers are standard AEG hop rubbers. So personally, what I would do would be maple leaf, tight bore barrels and quantum hop rubbers. So that's it. What a piece of kit. It is certainly a giggle gun. Available at All Ages Airsoft. Thanks for watching.